In this video I'm going to show you how to use FaceApp to edit your picture. So this particular app is Remy. I use it to clean up the picture so that all the smoothing and everything will come out. So after Remy, I'll move my picture to FaceApp. I will show you how you can edit it by yourself. Okay, take my picture. This is before and after. I use Remy. So I will save the picture and take it to my FaceApp. Okay, this is one of the picture. I'm going to choose one of it. This is the picture here. So the first thing we will do is to click on tan the skin. I'm going to click tan to, then you click smooth 5. Have you seen the difference before and after the picture? Check, see the before and after the picture. Go move to the makeup. Then the first thing I will go is my eyebrow. Let's check. Okay, this is my eyebrow. This one is too deep. No, I need it very small. This one is okay. 3 is okay. So I'll move to the next thing. I like this number 3. I'll move to next thing. I'm going to use bright glossy because I want the lips to be bright. Have you seen the lips have changed and it's brighter than before? So I put it in 2. I don't want it to be too bright, so I'll move it to bright. I want the picture to be bright, not dark. Okay, so check if this one is okay. And number 5 is okay. It's too bright. This one is normal. Yes, I like this one. Okay, we move to the next thing. Again, I move is to check on lipstick. Let's check on that lip. The eye. I want to change the color of the eye. Contouring. Just need to play around with this app to edit your picture how you want it, to look. This FaceApp will give you everything you want. So pay attention to what I'm doing. Just watch and follow what I'm doing so that you understand. The foundation. No, that's changed his face. The face has changed. No, let me